Configuring Plate Catcher to notify you wherever you are when it detects a number plate on your alert list is simple. Click Alerts and then select Enable WebApp Alerts. Enter your Plate Catcher credentials when prompted. If you haven't registered yet, click Register to create an account. Once logged in, you are ready to receive notifications in any browser when logged into your Plate Catcher account. If you subscribe to notifications through Plate Catcher's website, you will receive alerts whenever Plate Catcher detects a number plate on your alert list. Plate Catcher can detect number plates from a number of sources, but for this demonstration, we are going to use a video file. Once we've opened our video file, we check Alert Mode is selected.
A vehicle on the alert list has been detected.
As soon as a number plate is detected that is on the alert list, you will be notified with a time-stamped image of the detected vehicle.